She goes, she can't hear anything.
Right.
Oh, and I will be talking.
Okay.
We know that. You can't stop.
Sorry.
Do you get that white noise on?
Gotta wait a
Is
minute.
there anybody here that wants to communicate with me today?
Hey, Julie. Julie. I'll ask questions. You just listen.
I'm sorry, what?
I'll ask the questions. You listen.
Oh, okay.
To see if you get
'cause
an
I was
answer.
just getting somebody trying to come through
Okay.
already.
I'm sure.
Yeah. I like this.
Is anybody there? Can you give us a name? One. Male or female? I really would like to know whether you're a male or female.
Can you speak up?
Can you tell me a name? Do you like all
Is
my...
your name Elijah?
How old are you?
Second male.
Name? Why are you here?
It's Dave.
Oh. Hi, Dave. Can we help you, Dave? Can you give me your name? Oh, we got your name. I'm sorry. Can you tell me why you're here? Dave.
Want to go home.
Do you want me to help you go home? I can help you. Do you miss your family?
Keep feeling somebody here.
Mm-hmm. Can you talk to her? We can help you go home, Dave. You okay, Julie?
Woman's voice saying, come along.
Okay.
for a child. For a child.
Is there a child here? Can I have the name of the woman that is here?
Back of my head is hurting.
Uh-oh. You're not allowed to hurt her. You need to back off. You need to back off. It's cold. Feel right in the back of her. Can you back away from her, please? You're not allowed to hurt. We can help you. Julie.
Oh man.
Julie. Come, Julie.
Oh man.
You need to come out.
Yeah, give me.
You need to come out. Here. Now. And you okay?
I got chills.
Wow, my head hurts.
Oh, I bet.
Oh. I think I just died.
Oh my Lord, Ellen. Oh, I've got chills.
I think that male that shot himself. Oh,
Oh man. Oh Julie. Holy
that
moly.
was weird.
Pull it out. Oh, your heart.
Just stop being so sensitive.
Mm.
Okay. Hi, everybody.
Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. Whatever. Yeah. It's like that male. I know it's that male
Mm-hmm.
that shot himself. I mean, it's like I pictured he did it through the mouth.
Yeah,
I don't know really if but that's what I felt. And boy, the back of my head started hurting.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, my
It was
energy
cold.
was getting zapped.
Yeah. And when you were gone, I thought I was
Yeah.
going to have to get out the holy water.
No, he needs somebody to see.
He wants to go home.
Yeah.
Well.
Yeah, I kept on. Well, and that lady that's there,
Mm-hmm.
I think she has a connection to the little girl that we crossed over that day.
Okay.
But she kept on saying, unless it's the other child, because she put her hand out and said, "Come on, come along," and he took off.
With her.
He took off. We're down to a point. It was just on one. Now he took off the other way. He's playing. He's
Oh.
very playful.
Okay.
And that's the one that I sense around here a lot. Is
Yeah.
that playful.
It's probably the one that's playing the ball.
But there was somebody that kept on standing right here.
Yeah, it was the male.
Oh my gosh. All right. So anyways, that's white noise.
Right.